CBS's Gayle King suggested that R. Kelly tried to interfere with her interview of two young women who live with the singer, saying he coughed loudly during the sit-down so they were aware that he was there. After Gayle's explosive interview with Kelly, she spoke with two of the embattled R&B singer's girlfriends who defended him profusely from allegations of sexual abuse. Jocelyn Savage and Azriel Clary claimed that their parents are the real manipulators, accusing their families of encouraging sexual situations with Kelly that they could use as blackmail against him. As King spoke about the interview with her colleagues on CBS this morning, she revealed that Kelly was nearby when she spoke to Savage and Clary, and that he kept coughing very loudly from around the corner in an apparent effort to alert them of his presence. His team had told us that R. Kelly would not be in the room, King said. After the interview started, he was around the corner, behind them, they couldn't see him. At points during the conversation he would cough really loudly like that, King said, mimicking his cough. So they were aware that he was there. He want them to know, Norah O'Donnell reacted. He tried to stop the interview backstage a couple of times. King confirmed and continued by describing other moves Kelly took to stop the interview, though he was unsuccessful. She also expressed her disturbance with how Savage and Clary defended Kelly by parroting his denials of the allegations. "It's a bad situation," said King. "I think one day, years from now, everybody will look back and say it's very sad, very tawdry, and just very, very ugly."